Hi everyone, I will show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. First of all, you need to go to your Snapchat profile, then tap the setting icon on the top right. Now scroll down at the end and tap to a blocked option. Now you can unblock the account to tap the cross option and again tap to yes and the account will be unblocked. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.